They tore down old William's house the other day.
Now, why'd they have to do that? Can't they lay their tracks between our homes?
Aw, stick to the game, will you?
I'm just saying. If they ever come to my house, I'll show these railroad thugs who's boss. Oh, shit.
Well, what can I do for you, gentlemen?
Oh, we'll get to you in a minute. You know the drill. Everybody out! Yes, sir. Look at them run.
Something in your ears?
Just finishing my drink.
Listen, asshole, we own this town now. So when he says out...
We don't like troublemakers around here.
Who do we have here?
Well, you got double trouble now.
What the hell? You again?
They're running away like dogs.
I can't blame them. Poor guys had to look at your ugly mug.
Oh, you're welcome. You need a drink, so do I.
Hector, yours is on the house.
Gracias, señorita. They come back, you just call me.
You really shouldn't. They'll kill you next time.
They can try.
Guess you've been here a while. Spent your time pissing off the wrong people, huh?
I'm the one that pissed off. But as you're here, maybe we can work together.
Oh, no, you are not dragging me into this. I'm here for Frank.
Surround the place! Don't let them get away!
Amigo, you're already in it. And besides, you owe me one.
All right, let's get out of here.
Come on, out the back.
They're here somewhere. And we got all the time in the world.
Well, these guys are out for blood. Who the hell are they?
Part of the DeWitt Company. I have scores to settle with a few of them.
All right, fine. But I hope you've got a plan.
Sure. Let's head for the street. Nobody will bother us if we stay among the townsfolk, so we got room to breathe.
So far, so good. But, whose heads are we bashing in?
First, we got Jarvis here. Real tough guy. Right now, he's in that backyard trying to ride the town bull. Next is Wild Marge. She's on the first floor of the Flagstone brothel, drinking whiskey and watching the girls dance. Then there's the Duke. He's making rounds with his bootlickers up and down Church Street. And last, he's the foreman, McBain. He's a real asshole. Had his men tear down half the town so that he doesn't have to plan around it. So we get rid of them, head back to the saloon, and finish our drinks.
That ain't much of a plan, Hector.
Why do you think I've waited for you?
All right, let's get it over with. This town's got it rough.
You got it, amigo. I say it's time to use Bianca.
You still carrying that thing around?
I have a reputation to keep. All right, my beauty. Let's lure someone into your embrace. Can do.
Hell, I'm getting thirsty, Murdoch.
Would hate to be that guy.
See? The old girl hasn't let me down yet. Making a move.
Hey now.
Time to use Bianca. I'll use my singing voice. Hombre, come on, amigo. Bianca is come to Hector. Remember, leave the big guy to me. He got you once already.
He's all yours.
Time for the axe. Oh, I needed that. Let's...
Not your lucky day, is it?
Over there? No problem. On my way.
We're out. Relax.
The hell?
So who's first on your list?
How about we just kill them in the order we like?
Great plan you have there.
Dang, I thought all this would be good for the town.
We were so happy when the mayor told us that
Let's
the
go down
railroad
there.
would come.
This is where they're laying the tracks. McBain's the foreman and doesn't let anyone on site.
Then let's keep it quiet when we head in.
I hate these guys.
Had to drag me into this. Hurry up.
Another day in this shit.
This town's going to shit.
This way, amigo.
Curious?
Oh, you take a good look. Easy. Couple of months.
Okay. Let's go.
Luckily, sir. Can't wait for it, sir.
Just like old times, eh, amigo? Let's go.
Bianca is ready. Almost ready. All set. Time to make some noise.
Let's light this up.
Show yourself. Hey there, this place?
Here comes the postman.
Hell?
Keep your eyes peeled. Got plenty of room.
Think I heard a few bones creak.
You wish, amigo. I'm as fit as if I was 20. Just...
She's ready. Sure thing, amigo.
Let's lure someone in.
All right. You... Still got it. I like it.
This is nothing. Coming through.
Yeah, I got it.
Middle of nowhere. Not a problem. I got lots of these.
Sure, knock yourself out.
Let's get going.
Who's next?
Looks like a job for Bianca. There.
You say,
Here.
we're building something proper in this backwater. That's how it's done.
It's now.
Yes, exactly, sir.
See you later.
You're absolutely right, sir.
Let's go.
Look at the plans. Whoever did this, you're fired.
So this is why the train had to stop out of town.
You'd think the railroad would be good for the folks here. But then they tore half the place down. Whoever ordered this wants these people gone.
You mean Vincent DeVitt, railroad boss?
If you say so. Men like him are the reason everything's going to shit.
Well, sure, because he's got men like us who do his dirty work.
You're killing the mood, amigo.
All right.
Hey now.
What the?
Oh, I'm ready.
All right. Bianca returns to me.
Keep your head down.
This is outrageous. You can't just tear down my house.
Company orders. Track's gotta go through here.
The hell with your company.
Dang, I thought all this would be good for the town.
All right, keep it easy.
You'd think you'd be more careful with that kind of money.
Keep your eyes peeled.
The whorehouse. Townsfolk can't go in since Wild Marge took over.
Not the front door, then. All right. Keep it low. Let's find another way in.
She's making me crazy. Part of me just wants to pack up and leave.
I went through her drawer yesterday. Did you know she keeps lodding them there?
Don't tell me you got a taste for that stuff.
Oh, of course not. I just wondered where we got this from.
Now, Doc Harold, sometimes when he can't pay, he brings a bottle from his stash.
No, really?
Things will get noisy. On my way. Knife over. On my way. Who needs a good killing? No need to get bloody.
Good throw. I knew I was right to bring you along.
Sure glad I'm meeting your expectations. Here goes.
I see.
What's the matter with these guys?
Is that?
I hate these guys. All right.
Hey now.
Sure thing, amigo.
Time to use Bianca. Time to make some noise.
Looks like a job for Bianca. I'll use my singing voice. I like it.
Over here. I heard that.
Always trust Bianca. There she is.
Over there? No problem. On my way.
Bianca is ready. She's ready.
God,
Let's lure someone in. Hombre!
Yourself.
Amigo. She looks ready for more. Come to Hector.
I'm here. Hurry. I'll get close and personal. Check out this whorehouse. Largest building in town.
This place reminds me of the one in Deadwood.
There's lots of whorehouses in Deadwood.
You know, the one where they kicked me out.
That doesn't narrow it.
let's go.
I'll use my singing voice. Let's lure someone in. Looks like a job for Bianca. Just... Time to make some noise. Yoo-hoo. There she is, making a move. Bianca is ready. I'll use my singing voice. Time to use Bianca. Almost ready. All set. Let's lure someone in. Hombre.
Let's do this.
Keep your head down. Come on. Neat.
Good girl.
Scratch one. Let's go. Still here.
This way, amigo.
She looks...
Here comes the postman.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, then.
You ready, amigo?
Let's light this up.
Sure thing, amigo.
Eyes open. Well, now, let's see. All right. Oh, here's a bottle of laudanum. Take too much of that and it's as good as poison. Let's hold on to that.
If you say so.
Not a problem.
It's like old times, eh, Amy? Who needs a haircut? Not your lucky day. Coming through.
It's now or never.
I'm here, amigo. Keep your eyes peeled. I'm in for some chopping. I live for this. I can handle it. Come on, amigo. Keep a lid on it. How'd it go?
Dang, I thought all this.
This is outrageous. You can't just tear down my...
You see, we're building something proper in this backwater. That's how it's done.
I like it.
Yes, exactly, sir. You are absolutely right, sir.
You see, we're building something proper.
Let's do this.
Can we get this over with? All right.
Stay your business.
Really? She wants more whiskey.
Fine. You can go up.
On my way.
Cheers. I don't know, amigo. You kill a man, you look him in the eye.
Like when you use that giant bear trap of yours?
Hey, leave Bianca out of this.
Come on. Sure thing.
Absolutely right, sir.
This is outrageous. You can't just tear down my house.
We've assembled here because our good friend Bill done passed away. Crushed by a wall that some idiot didn't put up properly.
It wasn't me. Howdy.
To the earth. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
Had to dress. Not a problem.
Let's light this up.
Sure.
Not your lucky day, is it? Sheriff's not here this time, McBain. That makes 3.
How come you pick a fight with every big shot asshole in town?
Maybe I can't stand the big shot assholes.
How the hell did that happen? Oh, shit. This is wild. This is just wrong. How the hell did that happen?
Damn shame.
Oh, what do I do?
How's it going? Shall we? Who needs a good killing? Captain, for you. Let's get going. Eyes on the target. Watch and learn. Bring it on.
I heard that.
Sorry about that. Now, you stay put. Hurry up. I'll take that. Whew. You're heavy. Here goes. Gotta figure something out. It's now or never.
What the?
Here goes. Won't take long.
Unless he gets trampled first.
Jarvis and his men hang around here. Bet he's having a go at the bay again.
Then we better keep our heads down once we're in.
Show yourself.
My way. Coming through. Yeah, I got...
There she is.
Now's the time.
Well, I'll break.
All right.
Shit, that's been going on all day.
I'd say he's gonna torment the poor animal to death. Unless he gets trampled first. That dumb bull is like a box of dynamite.
Remember when we got it from your cousin and my boy threw pebbles at it? Bad fucking day.
Come on.
For a drink later? Sure.
Okay. Let's go. Let's get going. Bring it up.
Hey.
Dreams. God, don't you move. You got it. Not a problem. Looks like Jarvis here has been working that bull all day.
If that bull gets angry, we're in for a show. Like that one time in El Paso.
Or like every time in El Paso. Oldest trick in the book.
Where's my time?
Hey now.
Looks like Jarvis wasn't such a big shot after all. That's it. All done. Satisfied now? You'll be able to sleep at night?
I'm fine, Cooper. Let's head back to the saloon. Our drinks are still waiting.
Well, now, let's see.
What do I do?
I'm on my way. Sure thing.
But they never told anyone they tore it down. Those poor people. Gentlemen, I saved your whiskey for you.
Gracias, senorita. Don't worry about those men anymore. We took care of them.
Oh, that's kind of you, Hector. We sure could use a little more quiet around here. Well, fellas, I have to step out. Would you mind keeping an eye on the place?
Leave it to us.
Help yourselves. I'll be back in a few.
So, how long you been here?
Couple of days. Why are you asking?
Did you find him? You know where he is?
You have to bring this up now?
What the hell, Hector?
Just saying, we just had a good time, so why ruin it, huh?
Look, I'm not here to play the Good Samaritan. We both know he's working for DeVitt, so just tell me where he is.
Easy, amigo. Last I heard, he's at the mayor's house. It's just a short ride up the mountain.
No reason to waste any more time then.
You sure this is a good idea? It's getting late.
I put this off long enough.
What difference is one more day? Way I know Frank, he'll still be there tomorrow.
All right. Tomorrow then.
That's right, amigo. Now, tell me what you've been up to.